Mysteries surrounding the Tyrannosaurus rex may have been solved. Researchers say a tooth found in the fossil of another dinosaur actually proves the T-Rex was in fact a predator. Some scientists had argued that the T-Rex was just too slow to hunt and was probably just a scavenger, but these latest researchers say they felt giddy like school kids when they confirmed their suspicions that the gigantic dinosaur was in fact a hunter.
The 5-metre-long creature, which weighs 2.5 tons, is a member of the triceratops family, and it has a huge nose and exceptionally long horns. Paleontologists from the University of Utah say it would have roamed the Earth about 75 million years ago. Despite its fearsome figure, the dinosaur was a herbivore called Triceratops titusii, and would have been mostly concerned with feasting in swampy areas rather than terrorizing other dinosaurs.